Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. To 10 benefits of doing planks. So make sure to watch the full video. A plank is what? The plank is one of the exercises that gym instructors appreciate the most. Trainers advise planks for everyone, including seasoned gym enthusiasts and newcomers. Many benefits of the plank are undoubtedly the driving force behind this decision. The core exercise known as the plank can help you develop stability and strength throughout your entire body. The plank can be performed in a variety of ways, but the fundamental objective is to have your body parallel to the ground, with your stomach facing down, and your torso raised off the floor using your hands or elbows. Similar to being unable to move your body weight up or down when in an extended push-up position, the plank may easily develop into a taxing workout while sounding much kinder and more forgiving than a series of push-ups. What are the advantages of planks for your health? The situation really starts to pick up here. In spite of the fact that the plank is a very beneficial exercise, most people are unaware of all the things they may do for our bodies. The plank, fortunately, works practically all of our body's muscular groups. This means that including planks in your workout routine will result in a stronger overall physique. Yet planks do more than only increase muscular mass, they also have other benefits. Our skeletal system becomes stronger, we become more focused and attentive, and they even aid in appropriate breathing. The plank is the ideal exercise to include in your routine if you want to target your core while also working other muscles. This article will discuss 10 astounding advantages of performing planks every day. What is so unique about the plank? There are quite a few reasons why the plank is so well liked. Some individuals even see it as their favorite kind of exercise. Before learning how to execute a good plank, it's a good idea to understand why the plank is so important, because doing so will increase your likelihood of incorporating the plank into your daily routine. Bodyweight exercises include the plank. Exercises called bodyweight exercises require nothing more than your own body, and they are popular for a variety of reasons. The only equipment you really need is a wall to lean against or a chair or bench for bending. When performing bodyweight exercises, to perform bodyweight workouts, you don't need to purchase any expensive equipment. As you gain weight, you'll be working out with more weight, which is similar to increasing the amount you'd bench press, for instance. Bodyweight exercises are great for your core because they rely on your own body weight, so they'll always be tailored to your own workout needs. The plank engages a huge variety of muscles throughout your body, making it a desirable exercise for strength and endurance training alike. Even those looking to do cardio exercises can benefit from planks. People of pretty much any energy age can hold a plank as long as they are physically fit. Kids can begin by performing planks, and if they do so consistently, they will be able to do so until they are elderly. 1. It can help with posture. Your bad posture can be improved with a plank workout, which is one of their well-known advantages. You should definitely give planks a try if you frequently spend a lot of time sitting on a couch or chair for work-related reasons. By releasing spinal tension and strengthening all the muscles involved in maintaining good posture, this exercise can help you improve your alignment. 2. It can enhance balance and coordination in the body. One of the key advantages of the health plank for both sexes is an improvement in balance and coordination. This coordination is necessary for everyday tasks even if you are not a professional athlete. For instance, your body needs to be balanced while riding a bicycle with the aid of your core muscles. Planks are currently the exercise that aids in strengthening your core muscles. 3. Your body becomes more flexible. Your likelihood of getting hurt decreases if your body is flexible. To accomplish daily tasks in the workplace or at home, flexibility is also necessary. You can increase your flexibility simply by performing planks for a short period of time each day, which is one of the best plank benefits for both sexes. Major muscle groups like the hamstrings, collarbone, shoulders, and others are stretched when you practice planks. Your oblique muscles can be stretched if you include side planks in your workout. 4. You can align your body better. Each of us has experienced lower back pain at some point. In any case, the quality of life will be reduced by this pain, no matter how mild or severe it may be. Fortunately, improving body alignment and helping to relieve lower back pain are two of the many advantages of side planks. If you can, take 5 to 10 minutes every time. You sit for an extended period of time on a chair or couch to practice the plank exercise. Your neck, shoulders, and back will feel better after this quick workout. 5. Your core can become stronger. It's true that having strong core muscles makes you look good. But you should also be aware that a strong core is much more than just a pretty face. There are many ways to make use of a strong core. High-intensity strength training exercises in the gym can be used to best utilize it. Because their core muscles are weak, most beginners cannot lift heavy weights in the gym. If you're having the same issue, start with planks to strengthen your core muscles before moving on to more strenuous exercises. 6. It may support weight loss. Most of us don't engage in any strenuous physical activity throughout the day thanks to the modern lifestyle. Lack of exercise can slow our metabolism, which can further contribute to weight gain. However, by including the standard plank or any of its variations in your workout, you can speed up your metabolism and burn a lot of calories. Simply put, losing weight is one of the best advantages of planks. Simply increasing the number of reps in your workout will help you lose more weight while performing planks. 7. It can enhance mental health. Beyond physical health, plank exercises have numerous advantages. Planks release endorphins into your body, which improves your mood, according to numerous studies on the physical effects of planks on our bodies. Another reason planks and their variations have a calming effect on the body is that they focus primarily on the back and neck, two stressed-out body parts. Therefore, you should add planks to your workout at home or at the gym if you want to get rid of anxiety and depression brought on by stress. 8. It minimizes back injury risk. The weakening of the back muscles is yet another unfavorable side effect of modern living. Your back muscles support the pressure of your upper body when you sit all day to keep your posture. Fortunately, performing plank exercises for a few minutes each day can help you build stronger back muscles and lower your risk of back injuries. 9. There are many variations. Up until now, we have only discussed the numerous health advantages of planking. Planks have many variations, which is another feature that makes them such a well-known exercise. Plank variations include the high plank, forearm plank, plank pulse, reverse plank, side plank crunch, and more if you ever get tired of performing the same exercise, in this case, regular planks. These variations' advantages are comparable to those of the plank. 10. It's simple to apply. A plank is a flexible exercise that can be added to your workout routine at any point, the start, middle, or end, unlike the majority of other bodyweight exercises. Plank exercises should be added to the beginning of the workout if you are performing the simple version of them. Similarly to this, you should add harder versions of planks toward the end of your workout to help your body adapt to them. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.